how to transfer money from card to PayPal instantly. So there are two ways to do that. So the first one is to simply go to your wallet on PayPal, and then you're gonna have to simply click on link a card. And after you link the card, you're gonna have to simply click on it. So simply click on it like this. Then you're gonna have to scroll down and then simply click on set as preferred. And basically they're gonna use this when you shop or you want to send money for goods and services to other PayPal users. So you're gonna have to simply click on set as preferred. Now the second way to do that is to simply use another PayPal account. So you're gonna have to simply link the card to another PayPal account, and then you're gonna have to simply click on send and request from your main account, and then you're gonna have to simply type in the username or email address of that account. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on it, and then you're gonna have to simply request the money, and then simply click on next. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply select for friends and family, and then click on continue. And basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.